Hello folks, a quick video here from Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Technology. I want to show off our virtual trading assistant Holly in this video. The big takeaway that I always have with Holly is that it gets you thinking about risk management, and while you may not always agree with everyone's, including Holly's risk management strategies, the idea, especially for newer traders, is to put this out there that the first thing we are doing is managing risk. We are trying not to lose money in our trades, not only make money, but trying to not lose money, right? So we've got GENI here as an alert from Holly. She picks it off here as it attempts to maybe get into the gap and fill that from the day. Recaptures that and has continued to grind up higher throughout the day. But down here we can see a stop was put in. We can see a stop of 592 was put in here, and that was down here towards the bottom of filling that gap on the day. Now that might be too risky of a stop for some people. That might not be risky enough of a stop for people. But the idea again is to get you thinking about these kinds of things, these kinds of risk management tools. Again, we can see in a short in Uber here, right? Holly makes a short call here, and up here she sticks a $43 stop, which is going to be the opening of the day. This is a very common stop that folks use, but other people may disagree with it. It may be too conservative or not conservative enough for them. But again, the idea is get you thinking of these risk management skills, these risk management tools, put them out front and forward for you. These are the kind of things that we bring with Holly and our Trade Ideas technology for not only newer traders, but veteran traders as well that are looking to take their skills and their understanding of the markets to that next level. Thank you for watching, folks. If you'd like to learn more, come visit us at trade-ideas.com. Take care.